Looking for love? I got you covered. If you're looking for your black queen, you're looking for your white man, your Asian man, or be it who you want, you can find love not just outside, but you can find love in the comfort of your home. If you want to know how that works, today I will be giving you 5 best apps to find a loved one. Come with me. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chex in case you're coming for the first time. Today, I'm going to be sharing 5 important dating sites as well as explaining how to use this app, okay? If that sounds like something you might be interested in, stick to this video to the end because I'm going to be listing from the list to the top one. And if you're new to this channel, click the subscribe button to join this big family of ours. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Number 5 we have on our list is Tinder. Tinder is people's favorite. Tinder is where a lot of people meet. Some meet for hookups, some meet for just friendship, and some actually married from Tinder. So I guess is depending on what you want and your aspirations and all of that. So Tinder is a dating app that allows you to see people all over the world. I think is accessible all over the world. Any type of race you're looking for is on Tinder. You see picture, anybody you don't like, you swipe left, and the people you like, you swipe right. And if the person already seen your profile and they like you already, and when you like them, it will be a match, and you can start a conversation from there. That's how it works. So number 4 I have on my list is Badoo. Badoo is similar to Tinder, but there's a little different because when you log in, when you sign up for this app, you get to see like it's not like Tinder, you see one after the other. You see like different people, and when someone is online, it shows you the person is online and all of that. Badoo is an app also good for hookup, for something serious, for I don't know, but depending on what you want. And the funny thing is, a lot of people know Badoo as hookup app, but I met my husband on Badoo, and I know a lot of people who met their husband on Badoo, but people don't take this app serious. I don't know why, but you can actually find love and your husband or your wife on Badoo. So it's easy. You can access Badoo without even subscribing. Number 3 I have on my list is cupid. Here it is. If you're a black girl looking for a black guy, cupid is limited because cupid is full of white, I guess. That is something I noticed. There are a lot of serious people. It's not like a hookup thing like Tinder. You will really find like some people interesting on this app. You find a lot of people there, and there are a lot of people actually who met on OkCupid and they got married. So that is our number 3. Now let's move to Afro introduction. Who heard me? Like a life savings for a lot of people. A lot of people. When you hear people in long distance, you hear people meeting for the first time, when you go on YouTube and you search, a lot of people met on Afro introduction. Let me explain how this works. It has like a subscription pattern before you can chat with people, but there's a way, I call it like a cunning way, a smart way to actually access Afro introduction without subscribing. I'm going to explain that, don't worry. Like the app, for one thing, it allows you to express yourself. In the bio, you see where you can really speak your mind. It's not like Tinder where the bio is limited. Afro introduction allows you to introduce yourself and see what you like, what you don't like, the type of man you want, the type you don't want. You meeting a man or a lady determines how well you sell yourself. Selling yourself does not mean the nudity part. It simply means selling yourself in the bio. Hi, I'm Chex. I'm this, da 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 da. and it allows you also to see like different men, their income. It saves you stress from asking, oh, what do you do, this, that, because before you click on any guy, you already read the profile, what the person does, where he's from, his annual income, and all of that. I feel Afro introduction have a special way of analyzing someone without even speaking. So that is why you have to be mindful and you have to watch what you write on the bio because it sells you. I tried this app before I got married, and believe me, not what you tell me. I see what you write before I click on you or before I send any message. So Afro introduction is a good one. Now let me tell you the tricky part of it. When I was on this app, I did not subscribe, but I was able to get as much contact as I could. On Afro, they allow you to see just 4 to 5 letters, including numbers. So, how you can chat in a tricky way and take contact without subscribing is this. When you see someone and the person didn't subscribe and you as well didn't subscribe, you guys cannot chat. But if you see someone that subscribed and you didn't subscribe, you can chat to exchange contact. Don't stay there to ask how are you doing, because you know what? You are wasting your time. The person won't see the message. Okay, here is the thing. I have to be plain here. What I normally do is when I want to take a number and I tell you what's up, you already say, I guess you already know what to do, and you tell me okay, and you write your number to me. Let's assume +234, and I will write it back to you +234, just to make sure that you know I'm taking your number. I will write +234 back to you, and the end part should be 2 or 3, and then the person will write 373, and then I will repeat 373 like this. It allows me to know even when you're not online and I click on the message, I will be able to take numbers down. That is how it works. I will always encourage you to be smart enough to take enough number. That way you won't be on this site for too long. Just take as many number as you can so it becomes easy. I hope that makes sense. Or I hope you understand me very well. If you don't understand and you want me to explain it well, follow me here on Instagram. I'm gonna explain everything with a voice note, if that makes sense. And our number one, that is the top of it all, is Match.com. Match.com is a lifesaver, is a problem solver. There are a lot of people that met on Match.com, interracial couples, a lot of them met on Match.com. I feel so bad that Match.com don't work in every country like Nigeria. If you are in USA, you're in Europe, Match.com is the best for you. Believe me, on Match.com you meet people really serious, people that are so intentional, people that are looking for, the right one. So you go to Match.com only when you're serious, not for hookup. Just when you're serious and you know what you want, you're ready to settle down, you're ready to start a relationship, you're ready to give life a lovable space, you go to Match.com. Match.com is easier to access. So yeah, what are you waiting for? This is 2022. Stand up. You can stay in your house, find your life partner. And I wish you good luck. If you find this video useful, if you find this information so useful, leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe, guys. See you all later. Bye.